second speaker. Let's welcome Brother Ataila from Majestic class by the title Problem Solving. Time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good, I'm great, I'm wonderful.
Okay. Honorable Mr. Khaled Hossain, as the founding father of Basic English Course. Honorable Mr. Fuad Al-Mutajid, as the director of Basic English Course. Respectable Ms. Ola, as supervisor of Happy Meeting. Honorable Brother Khalid, as the chief of Happy Meeting, and respectable of all my friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ataila Khalila Wijaksana. I'm from Majestic class. Okay, in this occasion, I'm going to talk about problem solving. Sorry, my friends, I forgot my material. But don't worry, I will replace it with listen carefully and repeat after me.
Yes, okay.
5 keys to get English.
5 keys to get English.
The first, we must have strong intention.
We must have strong intention.
We must be active. The second, we must be active.
We must be active.
The third, we must practice more and more.
We must practice more and more.
The fourth, we must be disciplined.
We must be disciplined.
The fifth, we must pray to God.
We must pray to God.
Yes, here is example for problem solving. When you encounter a problem, you must think positively, and result to looking for to find solution. You are not just sitting there and waiting for time run out. We must sorry, bro. I feel so nervous. Guys, please follow my instructions. Please pat your friend's shoulder in front of you. And say, for brother you boy, say bro, and if you girl, say sister. Bro, this spirit, we can do it. And the last, I say, okay. And sister, this spirit, you can do it. Thank you very much. And lastly, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.